Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talat Waheed. In previous video, I told you about Python tuples. So today's topic is Python tuple methods. So let's talk about Python tuple methods. Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuple, count and index. So let's talk about count method. It returns the count of how many times a given element occur in the tuple. Okay. So syntax tuple.count element. So in this example, tuple.count 8. So it will count how many times 8 occur in this tuple. Okay, so let's check it in the editor how it's working. So this is our tuple. Okay, so when you have duplicates value in your tuple, then you can use this count method. Okay, for counting your element. So just write it here tuple.count. So just write here tuple.count in bracket, enter your element. So I'm writing it here 6. Okay, so and let's suppose t is equal to tuple.count. Okay, and just print this value. So print in brackets, write t. Okay, so here it will count how many times 6 occur in this tuple. Okay, so let's check it. What will be the output? Okay, so let's click on run. Let's see, it's showing 2 times. 6 occur in this tuple 2 times. Okay, so let's check it with another example. So let's suppose 10. So it will count how many times 10 occur in this tuple. Okay, so let's click on run. Let's see what will be the output. So here is showing 3 times. So 10 occur 3 times in this tuple. Okay, so we can apply it with different data types like bool or string. Okay, so let's run it. Here is showing 3 times u occur in this tuple. Okay, if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Okay, so next, let's see what's our next topic. So our next topic is Python tuple index method. It returns first occurrence of given element from the tuple. Okay, so here it will return the index of 8 element. Okay, it will return only first occurrence of 8 element. Okay, so let's check it in the editor how it's working. So just write it here index. Okay, and I'm writing it here index value of these values, these elements. Okay, so just write it here index value so that it will be clear to you. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's suppose we have to find out u element in this tuple. Okay, so let's see what will be the index of u. Okay, so just click on run. Let's see what will be the output. Here is showing 6 because u occur at 6 index, which is the first occurrence of u element. Okay, so let's check it with another element. Let's suppose 2. This is the numeric value. Okay, so it will show you 1 index. Okay, let's see what will be the output. Here is showing 1 because the 2 occur on index value 1. Okay, like this we can find out the index of element. So let's check it with another example. So let's see what will be the output of this. Okay, so just click on run. Here is showing 0 because 6 elements present at 0 index. Okay, like this we can find out the index of elements in tuple. So next, our next topic is tuple versus list. So list is unchangeable, okay, and tuple is unchangeable. List have several built-in methods, whereas tuple does not have many built-in methods. Lists are enclosed in brackets and their elements and size can be changed. Tuple are enclosed in parentheses. Okay, so note it down. This is important. So let's move further. Let's see. List is a better performing for operations such as insertion and deletion. Tuple data type is appropriate for accessing the element. Okay, so note it down. Next, our next topic is Python sets. Thank you for watching.